It's like we're driving down a road, but now we see the end. We sailed across the world, not back